Here is the script. Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Did you know that machine learning is now being used to diagnose diseases more accurately than human doctors? That's right, machines are learning to learn, and it's changing the world. Today, we are going to dive into the world of machine learning and explore what it's all about. Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that allows computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. It's like how you learn new things every day, like a new recipe or a new language. You don't need to be taught every single step, you just need to be shown examples and then you can apply that knowledge to new situations. For example, let's say you want to recognize pictures of dogs and cats. You could show a computer a bunch of pictures of dogs and cats and say, hey, this is a dog, this is a cat, and then the computer could start recognizing dogs and cats on its own. It's like teaching a child to recognize different animals. You show them a few examples, and then they can apply that knowledge to new situations. But machine learning isn't just limited to recognizing pictures. It's being used in all sorts of applications, from self-driving cars to personalized medicine. For instance, Google's DeepMind AI was able to detect breast cancer more accurately than human doctors by analyzing mammography images. That's some serious power. Now, I know what you're thinking, but what are the downsides of machine learning? Well, one of the major concerns is bias. If a machine learning algorithm is trained on biased data, it will learn to make biased decisions. For example, if a self-driving car is trained on data from a city with mostly white people, it may be more likely to recognize a white person as a pedestrian and not a black person. Another concern is job displacement. As machines become more intelligent, they are going to start taking over jobs that humans used to do. But on the other hand, machine learning is also creating new jobs and industries that we never even imagined before. So, what does the future hold for machine learning? Well, I think it's going to be huge. With the amount of data we are generating every day, machine learning is going to become even more powerful and accurate. And who knows, maybe one day we'll have machines that can learn to learn even faster than humans. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on AI and machine learning. See you in the next one.